Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. And today we're gonna make some Millionaire Squares. Shortbread biscuit base topped with caramel and chocolate. Oh, so interesting. Let's get started. Into a large bowl, add some butter, preferably room temperature. Add some powdered sugar. Mix it really well so that it comes together. Now into that, add in all-purpose flour and slowly mix it. You don't have to make this into any dough. You need this crumbly texture. Now transfer this directly into a baking tray lined with parchment paper and very gently press it using a spatula. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until you can see a very light golden shade on the edges. Meanwhile, take a pan, add some butter, add condensed milk, few drops of vanilla essence and some powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix it and on a very low to medium flame, cook this mixture. So we need to make this into a darker caramel shade. You need to continuously whisk it or you may burn the caramel. Once its color changes to a darker shade, turn off the flame and then add a pinch of salt because salt and caramel is a superb combination. Now pour this piping hot caramel on top of the biscuit base and very gently spread it. You need to be very careful as it is superb hot. Once you spread it, keep it aside for some time. Meanwhile, let's melt some chocolate. Take some dark or milk chocolate, add some flavorless vegetable oil and melt it in a microwave. After a few minutes, you can see the top layer of the caramel is slightly set. Then you can pour the melted chocolate on top and spread it. Now tap the pan on the countertop so that it will spread evenly. Now place this tray in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours or you can keep it overnight, because the caramel layer will take few hours to set perfectly. And once it is set, you can see this beautiful 3 layers of buttery shortbread biscuit base with caramel and delicious chocolate on top. So definitely try out this 3 layers of heaven. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And once you cut out these biscuit squares, you will get those crumbly biscuit powder. You can add it on top of the chocolate layer to make it more attractive. You can try this on any special occasions and it makes a perfect gift for your loved ones. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Tag Greypot on Facebook and Instagram by sharing a picture of how these Millionaire Squares came out for you. Thanks for watching. Click the logo to subscribe and do watch more videos from our channel.